Hi all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an advanced phonics lesson, and that is about the trigraph EAR. Trigraph means three letters together. Okay, but this trigraph is a diphthong as well. Now, what is a diphthong? Diphthong means that you would hear two sounds in this trigraph. With these three letters, you will hear two sounds. For example, you will hear ear, E and They are two different sounds, ear. But the twist in this story is this, that EAR, the trigraph EAR, doesn't only have one sound, rather it can be pronounced in two different ways. It may say ear and it may also say air. That's why it's a little confusing, it's a little challenging for teachers to teach and for kids to absorb it. So if this is something that interests you and you want to learn how to teach this concept to your little ones, be with me till the end of the video. And if you're new to my channel, so this channel is just for you. If you are interested in English phonics, English grammar, English spelling rules, English vocabulary, and above all, how to teach all this stuff to your little ones. So it's the right time to subscribe the channel, click on the bell notification, and let's dive in. Alright, so this is the beginning of the lesson for you, not for the kids. First, I will give you the concept of this sound and then I will tell you how you can teach this to children as well, right? So the trigraph EAR has two pronunciations. The first pronunciation is ear, like the ear with which we hear, and the other pronunciation is air, the air which is around us, okay, air. When you are teaching trigraph EAR to children, go with the first pronunciation only. That is ear. Okay, it is even easier to understand because they know the alternative spelling of EA, say E, and then ear. So it's easier to get it. Okay, ear. Introduce that EAR is a trigraph and it says ear, and then give a word list. For example, ear, dear, hear, fear, tear, near, beard, clear, rear, year. Now, if you want to segment it, how would you do that? Look at this. Because we are treating ear as a single spelling, we are giving this as a trigraph. We are teaching children that when EAR are together, they make a new sound. So we don't need to break it, right? So if this is together, EAR, simply say ear. If there is something that is extra than ear, then give a sound dot on the d, ear, dear. Ear, hair. F, ear, fair. T, ear, tear. N, ear, near. B, ear, bear. D, beard. K, ear, clear. Ear, rear. Y, ear, year. Now, how to help children memorize these spellings? So easy. Most of them are rhyming words, and even you can make word list and paste it on any wall. The second thing that you can do for children to help them memorize this, try to use all these words in a silly sentence. For example, my ears can hear clear a deer who is near and feared with a beard man at the rear of the house on New Year. You can ask children to come up with their sentences using these words. You will find so many silly sentences. They could be nonsense as well, but our only aim is to make them familiar with the sound of this trigraph and even with the spelling. So this is how you can introduce and give the lesson for EAR trigraph as ear sound. Now let's move on to EAR as air. That is the second lesson. Okay, you will not immediately go with from ear to air. There should be something in between. Let the children absorb this concept, and then some other day, some other time, you can move on to this pronunciation of ear. So this is a new day, a new lesson. Children have got the concept of this spelling and pronunciation, that this is ear. Now you are going to introduce them the other pronunciation of this trigraph, that is air. How would you start? You would write on board EAR and ask them that which sound is this? How do you pronounce it? They will surely say it's ear. Appreciate them and then tell them that kids, this trigraph is a little different. It has two pronunciations. One is ear, as we have already done, and the second is air. Write this on the board, AIR. And these slashes are here to show you that this is the pronunciation. These brackets are to show the spelling, and this will show pronunciation. If EAR is written somewhere, so it can also sound air, air. Again, the sound is gliding. It's air, air, right? So now again, we need to follow the same procedure. First give the sound, then give the spelling list, and make a silly sentence to remember. So here is the word list for this trigraph saying air. But the good thing is this, that we have just a few common words with this sound of the trigraph EAR. The words are wear, as if you wear a coat, air, wear, air, pear, the fruit, air, bear, it's an animal and it's a verb as well. I cannot bear him. Air, tear, to rip something, as if you are tearing a paper. Then we have swa, a blend, air, swear. Give this spelling list to your kids in your classroom, or even if you are teaching them at home. Paste them in the class and later make this chart. This is the last step that I have here from the very first scene, but this is the last step. When you have given both of these lessons, the ear and air lesson, make the chart. Make children realize that EAR is a trigraph that has two different sounds. It can be pronounced as ear and it can also be pronounced as air. And then you can again make the list of words, repeat them, revise them, ask them to make sentences with these words, and that's all. Alright, so there is something remaining. I didn't give you the sentence for these words. So let's take it as a challenge. Let's write some sentences with these words and do write them in the comment box as well. I'll be waiting for your feedback. That's all for today's lesson, today's video. I shall see you soon with something new. Take care. Bye for now. And don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.